welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos.
Or if you're new here, welcome.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Clarissa.
And happy Dapper Day at Disneyland.
Yes, it's Dapper Day. I'm so excited. Got to get all dressed up in our Dapper attire.
Yes.
And what theme did we do?
We did the Tiki Room.
Tiki Room. Yes, we definitely went Tiki Room now. I have like my little pin of parrot. I got my leaf earrings.
Look
my
at
bamboo.
you.
My bamboo bag.
Yeah, looking good.
And then Tim has some really cute pins as well.
And some tiki drinks.
And tiki drinks. And you know why? We're going to Trader Sam's.
Yeah, gotta get some tiki drinks.
We had to go to Trader Sam's in our tiki attire.
Mm-hmm.
We had to celebrate Dapper Day with a few drinks.
Yes.
Well, let's go inside and get something.
Yeah.
All right, we got our drinks, and I got the Tiki La Casita, the only one with tequila in it. And you know I'm a tequila drinker, but a nice, pretty little flower.
I love it.
Got a little tiki mint on the stirrer.
The only one with tequila in it.
Ooh.
I saw a guava in it.
I was gonna say, I taste guava. I don't remember what was in it, but I'll put it all right here, what's inside here. But I taste the guava. And you don't know I love me some guava. Yep. Tim got as usual.
Got the zombie. And this one comes with a souvenir cup if you want. Zombie head. But this is the classic.
Yeah. This was a lot of alcohol in it.
Yeah, it sure does. It's so good though. Super fruity. I love the mint.
Yeah.
And we got poo-poo platter.
Yeah.
Gotta come and get a poo-poo platter.
A little bit of everything, all the good
Yeah,
stuff.
Wings, some tempura green beans,
Tempura shrimp.
and then some gyoza.
What do you want to try first?
We gotta try a green bean.
A green bean?
Yeah, they're good.
It's the sauces. The sauces make it here.
Nice and crunchy. So good.
You want to try a wing as well?
Ooh, these are dusted. Oh, so good. Not too spicy.
Good, because I was a little nervous.
Oh yeah, this is a good wing. You want to try something?
Yeah. I'm going to go for the gyoza.
Ooh, and that looks like that has those
The little fish flakes on it.
Oh yeah.
Had a lot of those in Japan. The sauce on it? It seems like a little nutty for the sauce.
Oh yeah?
I don't know what sauce is on there, but it's so good. Maybe that's the name. Now I'll try a
Big
little.
old shrimp, yeah.
I know, look at these shrimp. I got sauce on my fingers still. The shrimp is like perfectly fried, and it's so nice and warm right now. It's so good. Let's dig in.
Woo, can't beat a poo-poo platter.
Yeah, so tasty.
Yeah.
I love it because it's a mixture of like little everything. And the Tiki La Casita was really tasty.
Yeah.
Perfect amount of alcohol. Tim's zombie though.
Got me zombified.
Gives you a zombie. There's everything in there. What's it? The 151? It's strong.
Yeah, if you like rum, that's the way to do it.
Well, we don't have Disney Park plans for today. We are going to be just doing a little bit of downtown Disney. So I think we're going to try to get into one more place maybe a little bit later and get more drinks and maybe a few more appetizers. Yeah. So let's see where this day takes us. I'm excited for Dapper Day. I just want to get dressed up and come out here because why not?
I know, this is our first time.
Yes, I've always wanted to do Dapper Day.
I know, we lucked out. Picked a good day.
I know. Well, let's go see what this Dapper Day brings us.
Yes.
Okay, really big one. Rock step now. Really big. Ooh, let me kick this side like 100 and woo! Rock step and kick. Rock step.
It's been a while since we've been downtown Disney, and everything looks so different.
I know, a lot of remodeling going on.
Yes, last time we were here, it was all being torn down, but there's a nice little grassy area. There's like a parkside area. I know there's a bow place inside the parkside market too.
Yeah.
But take a look. It looks so different.
No, we got this like grassy park area.
The stage is moved.
The music.
There's a new Chinese restaurant.
Oh yeah. Then Typhoon.
Yeah, and then the Parkside Market is right behind us, like, right behind you here. And this one has like a bunch of little areas, like baobabs, like Korean food. There's a bunch of like little places that are quick service in there. So that's cool too. There's so many little new things. It's been a while since we've been here.
I know. Still got the trading post. And then that Mexican restaurant's being torn down.
Oh
too.
my god, I know. That's like the place to have margaritas. Hopefully it's something good with something good to eat.
Yeah. Well, it is very close to Easter, so they have their
Extravaganza.
extravaganza.
We did this one year. I'll put the video here for you to see it. It was a lot of fun. You go find all the little eggs all throughout downtown Disney, and then you get a little prize at the end. It's $9.99 per person that wants to do it. Last time we did 2 because we wanted Chip and Dale, and I know there is a Chip and Dale prize this time too.
Oh.
Hi.
Paint by numbers wood blocks. Oh, those are so cute.
Look at them. There's a Thumper one, my Chip one. There's Dale. Wait, they look the same. Chip and Dale look.
Well, just the red nose. So.
Oh, the teeth right there. I'm like, they look the same right now.
Oh, yeah.
There's a Mickey and Minnie.
So cute.
How cute. Here's a little sample, like what the eggs look like.
Yeah.
But they're big eggs, like actual big eggs about that
And they're
size.
like hidden. Like,
Storefronts on top of stores, all
Yeah.
over. It's a lot of fun.
well, we made it over to Jazz Kitchen.
Yes, because last time I came to Jazz Kitchen, Tim was not here yet. And I came with some siblings, and I had the banana foster beignets, and I told him he has to have them.
Yeah. So I'm super excited to try these beignets.
Oh
I hear
my
good things.
god, they're so good. We did some shopping, and now we're here having the beignets and some bread. And we also having a little drink of milk.
Yeah, gotta have a hurricane.
Yeah, the thing about jams, the thing about hurricanes. I just got
So
Paloma, my favorite,
yeah.
my normal.
Ooh, nice and orangey. Not as strong as the zombie, but it's good stuff.
It's a white grapefruit, so it's a little
White grape? White grapefruit?
white grapefruit.
Ooh.
You want to try it? It's a little different. I feel like every Paloma I get is different though.
Yeah. I
You
like
can
it.
tell it's a different kind of grapefruit.
Good.
Hurricanes are still strong. Zombies and hurricanes. Are you
Yeah.
gonna make it through the day? I'm just kidding. Putting some food in his belly.
Yeah.
We have some bread coming up, and then dessert.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wait for Tim to try the menus.
Yeah.
We're starting off with the cheesy garlic bread, and it looks fantastic. There's like chunks of garlic in it. It's really crunchy.
It's crunchy. It sounded crunchy. It has all these like toppings on it, like garlicky topping.
It's so good though.
Yeah, let me give it a try. Ooh, gooey. Wow,
It's intense flavor.
that's so garlicky.
There's just whole garlic on it.
It's good though. Nice and gooey, and
Yeah.
some cheese on there.
So good. My favorite dessert I've ever had in any of the Disneyland area.
Yeah.
Beef churro toffee for me now.
Wow.
Let's see if it still stands. This is a few years ago.
Ooh, they smell amazing.
I know.
Nice and fluffy, vignette. And they come with a dipping sauce.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Go ahead.
Wait. Cheers.
Wow.
Fantastic. Fan-freaking-tastic. They're so good.
I know, nice and warm. This like the banana sugar dip. Can't beat it. So good.
So do you think it's better than the churro toffee? That was our #1 together before.
These are really good. I like these.
I think it beats my cherry coffee.
This is so good.
Cherry coffee is easier for me to get.
Yeah.
I can get it at any like
Store.
bakery.
Yeah.
But coming to John's Kitchen just to get these.
Yeah.
Amazing!
Gotta try them. All right, well, we made it back to the room.
Yes, it was so nice to be downtown Disney during Dapper Day. Seeing everyone's outfits were so cute. Everyone gets so creative. We saw like an Oogie Boogie themed one. So many themes.
I know, it was fun.
Love it. I'm glad we just walked around downtown Disney because I cannot imagine wearing this in the park. It's not very comfortable.
You gotta be dedicated for sure.
Yes.
Dedicated.
Oh my God. But it was so amazing to see.
Yeah.
And it was beautiful out today too.
Yeah,
I'm
great day.
so full now though.
Yeah, we want to show you our shopping haul.
Yes, we did a little bit of shopping.
Yeah. Well, first off, got something special from Pandora.
Yeah, I had to get a park only bead. Well, I'm here at the park.
Yeah, she started her own Pandora bracelet.
Yes. And this is so cute. They're like little balloons.
Oh, that's so pretty.
So cute. Perfect for my
I like the
keyboard
balloons. It's got little
bracelets.
dingly
Strings.
Very, very beautiful.
I love this. They have so much to choose from for the park only stuff.
Yeah.
And it was so hard for me to choose.
I know.
I really wanted a Mickey Mouse one, but it said 2024 on it. I don't need the year on it.
Yeah.
But it was so cute still. So
Goodbye.
we also got.
Let's see, so continuing with what you wanted, this is Season of the Force currently.
Yes, we're gonna
and
be-
you wanted to get something that would match your
My outfit, because I'm gonna be dressed bounding as an Ewok.
Yeah, so Disney Parks is doing these
New little headband.
swappable character headbands.
Yes, and I got 2 Ewoks. I got 2 of them.
And then you can get obviously the headband, and then you replace these with a ton of different characters.
Yeah, they have like so many characters. Star Wars, Marvel, just Disney, everything.
Yeah, so buy the headband once and then just replace the little guys as
So
you
I
go.
probably just every time I bound, I could probably find a character I'm bounding
sure.
as.
Yeah, those are cute.
But these are cute little Ewoks.
Yeah, keep an eye out for our video coming up for our vlog
Yes.
tomorrow.
Season of the Force.
And then we've got some nieces and nephews that we wanted to get some plushies for.
One niece, one nephew.
And this is for our
Niece.
Ooh,
She's only 4 months. I just need to get something soft
nice
for her.
and soft, like your plush.
Yes, we got her a Dumbo
that.
in Tokyo Disney. So
And then,
I had to get something else.
yeah, and then we got a Miguel. These are cool. I would have loved these as a kid.
I
These
love-
like stuffed doll, action
Yes.
figure, stuffed animals. And
But I
then
love Miguel because
He's got his little face there.
he looks just like our nephew Skylar.
He does look like Skylar.
And Skylar just wore a red hoodie and Miguel.
Yeah, how cute.
He's so cute. So yeah, we just got a few things. That's all we got, right? Yeah. We just got a few things and ate way too much.
So much food.
Even
so
taking a
good.
break in between, I'm like, whew, we gotta take some of those beignets home.
Yeah.
We're too full. But while we're here at our hotel, might as well show you where we're at. This is the new place that we've ever stayed.
Yeah, we're at the Viv.
Yeah.
That is earshot away from Disney, just right over the freeway there.
Yeah, right after the freeway. It
This
is
is-
so cute.
It's relatively new too.
Yeah, that was remodeled, I believe. It was a Radisson hotel before, and now it's the Viv by Marriott.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Beautiful.
And we've got the entry, of course. Nice bathroom.
I like the little like hanger, the towel hangers right there.
Toy hangers,
It's so
toilets, sink, little bathtub or shower.
Shower. And then
Lockwood.
what was it? Lockwood. They're fully beer. Check your outfit before you leave.
Yep.
We got the 2 queen beds because it was cheaper for 2 queen beds.
Really
But-
pretty decorations in here too.
Yes, like look at. So the Viv is very Star Wars. They have like some stormtroopers downstairs. They have like Star Wars art like everywhere. They even have some stormtroopers up here.
Yeah.
But the best part about this one is
The park view.
park view. Oh, it's like right where the sun is right now. So we'll probably see some fireworks tonight if we remember, if we're still up. But hopefully we'll see some fireworks tonight there.
There it is. Okay, yeah, so we've got DCA and Disneyland there. So we should get a pretty good view of both parks' fireworks tonight.
Yes, and what I like about this place too is it has like adults only pool and jacuzzi on the rooftop. And there's a bar on the rooftop as well. Then they have a big round pool in the bottom for the kids and a splash zone and another jacuzzi down there. And then there's restaurants. I think there's 2 restaurants here and a little cafe.
Yeah.
It's a really cute place. It's so, so cute. Ah, well, we had a great day today.
We sure did.
Well, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and ring the notification bell for more videos like this. And follow us at
A Couple of Kiddos.
Until next time, bye.